AkTop Cork Bulletin Board Hexagon 4-pack, small framed corkboard tiles for wall, thick decorative display boards for home office decor, school message board with 16 push-pin wood clips, black. Quick setup, 13.5x11 black frame diamond cork tile, easy to hang to create custom bulletin boards, suspended in any space quickly and easily, perfect solution to pin your notes and messages in any office, home or commercial environment. Free gift, 16 natural wood clips, beautiful and practical, hold more than 30 sheets of office A4 paper. 16 color pins, sturdy and durable, pin important papers and messages to cork boards. 1 plastic box, orderly placement of small parts. Strong self-healing ability, natural cork thickness 10 mm, high-quality dense cork, super self-healing ability and repairability, reused for a long time without distortion, no unsightly pinholes. Perfect decoration, modern unique corkboard, functional for using push pins to pin notes, messages, pictures, memos, calendars, and sticker. Has photo wall, behavior reward and miscellaneous list, memory photo wall, travel map, weekly plan. What you get, best choice for gifts, all items orderly storage in a beautiful gift box, including 4 packs of cork boards. In the process of receiving or using the product, please feel free to contact us whenever you have any questions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.